Hey, it's Ben with Grain Weevil, here to show you around our new office space and robot shop. Come on back here, we'll take a look at the history wall. It's a little bit out of order now, but this kind of shows our history of all the prototype robots, starting all the way back in 2019. Hanging in front of me is our new production robot that we're going to be producing here this summer. We're doing 100 of this unit, and a lot more space than our old facility for collaboration, for testing, but also to start manufacturing robots. So you can kind of see how we've separated things out here. We have our table stations where everybody sits down and does computer work. This is a flexible area. All these tables can shift around. We kind of have it set up where we have different teams podded together, and it kind of all works together. We can work on our small groups, but then I can spin around and talk to the lead mechanical engineer and the rest of the team. Back behind us is where we kind of get into the manufacturing, the stations where actually the robots start to come together. Each one of these stations can be set up so that one technician can come, get everything they need off the shelves behind for an entire robot package build and do it all right here. We got computer setups and all the tools and everything they need separated specifically for each station so that we can track every step of the process, do all of our quality assurance, and make sure that every robot that comes off our floor is identical and functional and ready to do the work that needs to be done. But a lot about this, the way that it's set up now, is flexibility, because we're a very small, agile team that needs to be able to go from prototyping and testing in the field back here, clean things up, and then also have a very structured way to manufacture robots to get to customers. So we do a lot of hands-on, in-depth testing in the shop as well as in the field. So here we have stations in different setups, and obviously some of it's a little bit messed right now as we prepare to change what we're testing and work on new product development as well. The great thing is I have all the tools that I need to test new parts, new pieces, rework old things that are non-functional, and make the next idea that we come up with in this facility. Keep it flexible, keep it open, and keep it fun. So thanks for coming on the tour with me. We'll have lots more to show in the future.